So there's a city in Gujarat that didn't exist a few years ago, Dholera. Built on reclaimed salt flats. For a long time, it was actually the government's favorite slide in a PowerPoint about the future. Yesterday, they started building the future in it. The Union Cabinet approved 2 new semiconductor projects, nearly 4,000 crore rupees. The India Semiconductor Mission is now 12 projects deep, total investments crossing 1.64 lakh crore rupees. The government is calling it a revolution. They're not entirely wrong, mind you, but they're not entirely right either. 2 projects, 1 state. The India Semiconductor Mission playing for keeps. The first project is Crystal Matrix Limited, setting up in Dholera. They're not chasing the obvious, no logic chips, no memory. They're going after gallium nitride, GaN. Well, the material behind micro LED displays, 72,000 square meters of panels destined for 8K televisions and the AR glasses the industry keeps promising us. It's of course a smart bet. GaN is niche enough to be defensible and large enough to matter. The second project, which is Suchi Semicon in Surat, an OSAT facility, packaging and testing the final mile of chip making. The target is over 1 billion chips in a year. Not, of course, the glamorous end of the business, but the most important one. These are chips for EVs and factory floors. Unglamorous, load-bearing, but essential. 2,300 jobs between them. That number, of course, deserves a moment of honesty and applause. In a country of 1.5 billion people, 2,300 is not, well, a workforce story, but it's more a talent story, a very specific, very demanding one. The government has 315 colleges and 100 startups lined up to meet that demand. Whether the pipeline is actually ready, that I believe is a fair question, one nobody is answering cleanly as yet. But here's what the critiques crying vaporware keep getting wrong, and this is what it is. 2 plants are already shipping. 2 more go live very shortly. The boxes definitely are moving. The Made in India label is on actual hardware now. And here, of course, is the front page take. This was never really about self-reliance. That was always the wrong frame. In a world where chip supply chains are foreign policy, owning the manufacturing is definitely owning the argument. India just bought a louder voice in that very argument. The silicon question is no longer whether India can build, it's actually whether a world that built without India is willing to wait. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIMNetwork. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.